Hello there, for today's video, I will teach you how to install Microsoft Office 2019 for free. To start, just head over to your browser and search Office Deployment Tool. Now, click on the first one. Here we see a download option. The details and system requirements are also included here. You can check this before you proceed to the next step. Now, we will download the deployment tool. After it's downloaded, find where you saved your file. Next we need to create a folder where we extract the deployment tool. Then, double-click on the downloaded file to open. When asked for permission, just click Yes. Click on this little square below, then click Next. Select the folder where you want to save the files. In my case, I will save it in the folder I just created. For the next step, open the folder where you saved your file. Then, delete these two files. Before proceeding to the next step, we need first to identify what operating system your computer has. To check whether you have 32 or 64-bit operating system, just open Start menu, then go to Settings. And scroll down and select About. Here you can see that I have a 32-bit operating system. Since I have 32-bit operating system, I will be using this x86 file. If yours is 64-bit, then use the x64 configuration file. Now, right-click on the configuration file and open it in a notepad. Delete this channel current and then below, replace O365 Pro Plus Retail into Standard 2019 volume. Then delete Visio, if you don't want to install it, and save the file. Do the same thing if you have 64-bit operating system. Just open the x64 configuration file and follow the same process. For the next step, right-click on your mouse and create new text document. Type setup.exe/configuration space the name of the configuration file we will be using. In my case, I will use the configuration x86 file. Note that, use the x64 if you have 64-bit computer. Just copy the name of the file and paste it the text document. Now, we will save this file in BAT format. Name it anything you want. In my case, I will name it install.bat. After saving the file, you can delete the TXT document you just created. Now let's install. Just right-click on the install.bat file and select Open. Just allow permission to proceed with the installation. The installation will take some time. The duration depends on your internet speed, so just have a coffee and relax while Microsoft Office 2019 applications are being installed in your computer. After the installation is successful, just click on Close. Now, let's open Microsoft Word. And then check the version of the apps. Now, we have Microsoft Office 2019 for free, however it is not activated. We are not done yet because we will help you to activate your Microsoft Office for free. To activate your Office 2019, just download the file in the description below, then save this text document as CMD file. Name it anything you want, but for me I will just name it activator.zmd. Now, right-click on the activator and run it as administrator. Just click Allow permission to proceed. Then wait for some time while your Office application is being activated. Now, it says activation is successful, so let's check it. Congratulations! Your Microsoft Office 2019 is now activated for lifetime. That's all for this video. If this helped you, please subscribe to my channel and turn on notification bell icon to never miss any of my new uploads. Thank you for watching.